Samsung fridge side by side. Noise issue. When you open the door, noise goes away. It's partially iced up in the back. They came, defrosted it. So we're gonna put in force mode. Your panel looks like this. What you're gonna do, hold and press freezer and water, and then hit fridge. It's gonna cycle your fans right now. So we're in test mode 1, forced freeze. I'm about to put a magnet, and then here for the fan. Okay, so here it goes. Okay, so you know the drill. Get yourself a magnet. We're in force freeze. That magnet right there. Our fans should be running right there. Give it a while. And I don't feel any airflow at all. There it is. Alright, so our fan's running. Correction. Fans are on. Okay? So now from here, we can change it. We can go to force defrost. Do the same thing. There it goes. Right there. That's force defrost. All I did was press freezer and water, 3 seconds. Once you're in test mode, you press fridge. First one's force freeze, then the second one's a force defrost. Okay, so we're in force defrost right now. And that phone is always ringing. Yes, sir. Okay, now how do you know we're in force defrost? Well, let's check from back here. You hear it? You hear the alarm going? Our fan stopped. So we go back here. By the way, you can find this on the schematic. But right here also it has force defrost heater, French heater, refrigerator defrost heater, and freezer defrost heater is the brown one. Alright, give me 1 second here. Okay, so these are our 3 heaters. This is our common here, and this is our freezer, brown wire. This is our French door. So how do we check if we know we're in force defrost? How do we check that heater's working? Get your meter, clamp on, and put it in amps, and put it on the brown wire. And now we're pulling amps, 2.35. So that's how we know our heater's on. It's drawing amps. We can check the French or the fresh food heater. Which one is this one? French. This one doesn't have a French heater. So there's our freezer heater, 2.3 amps. That's how we know it's on. You can also check voltage. You're gonna have 120 volts coming out of here. Alright, so let's open it up. You know, our freezer's working. Our freezer defrost heater's working. Let's check the fan, see how iced up it is. So we know the heater's on. Get you some ice that you're defrosting. Put that on the heater. And write your name. All that ice buildup. Why all that ice buildup? Well, go ask yourself that. We'll get into that later, why it ices up. More than likely, the issue 60% of the time is this defrost sensor right here. That blue one you see? There's a way to check it, and I'll show you how. There's a resistance check and a voltage check, and it's supposed to be within range. If it's off range, 5%, change that sensor. If it's iced up, change it. In this case, I already changed it. Run a new one. And I just wanted to show you as far as how to put it in force defrost and force mode. How to take it off of force defrost. Right there until the screen shows blank. That's already out of force defrost into cooling mode already. How do we know we're in cooling mode? Well, again, let's find our compressor wire. And more likely it's one of these here on your inverter board. Get your clamp on meter. Go to amps and clamp your wire on your compressor. Off the bat, I'm not sure what wire this is, but it's for the compressor. I don't know if it's your common, but let me put that in there. I'll show you. Correction, this is the wires to the compressor right here. There's your power coming in also on this side. It is your AC and your overload protect. And these are your wires for your compressor. You got black, purple, and blue. And I clamped it on the black, and we're pulling 0.50 amps. So that's how we know our compressor is on. We go back to our heater, we should have 0. We're not pulling any amps because we're out of defrost. So we're in cooling right now. Cool. Alright. Thank you, sir.